हेलो देयर, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो आप सब और कैसी चल रही है ज़िंदगी? सो वेलकम बैक टू सुलग्ना टॉक्स। मैंने सोचा यार, सच बताऊँ मैंने क्या सोचा? यू नो गाइज राइट, आई एम अ हार्डकोर फैन ऑफ मेकअप. लाइक मेकअप इज़ काइंड ऑफ मैडनेस टू मी. सो मैंने सोचा मैं सेकेंड एपिसोड में आने से पहले क्यों ना मैं एक अच्छा सा एफर्टलेस मेकअप वीडियो बना के उसको पोस्ट कर दूँ. You know, because I have so many girls who really send me lots of beautiful messages on my Instagram. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार एक मेकअप वीडियो कर देती हूँ पहले, वो मेरा एक शुभ आरंभ हो जाएगा. उसके बाद I'll come with lots of other contents जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था. और हाँ, मुझे कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि आप उड़ीसा में रहती हैं, आपको ओडिया में यूट्यूब करना चाहिए. चलो मैं आप सबको बता देती हूँ, ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେଉଛି ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବି କରିବି. ବଟ୍ जिनसटा है कौन कि समस्ते तो ओडिया बुझी पारे, राइट? सो बहुत ओडिया अच्छा, नॉन ओडिया अच्छा, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर देयर हु अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश एंड यूट्यूब इज द प्लेटफॉर्म जोटी कि बहुत वेराइटीज रो समस्ते लैंग्वेजेस माने लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर देयर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कल्चर, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज एंड ऑल. सो से मोर जो यूट्यूब चैनल जहाँ भी मु पोस्ट करी किछिटा मु ओडिया रे कहबी, किछिटा हिंदी रे कहबी, किछिटा इंग्लिश रे कहबी. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू, whatever will be there in my contents, I'll be speaking in English, Hindi and Odia. Got it? So जो मैंने भी मते कहते ओडिया रे वीडियो करा पे, this is for them. मु ओडिया रे भी कहबी. अरे यार, I'm a true ओडिया girl. मु ओडिया रे कहबी. I would love to speak in Odia. Okay, so this is आजिकार जो वीडियो अच्छी, it is all about completely effortless makeup. And yeah, this makeup is all about like आप लोग ये मेकअप करके आप ब्रंच में जा सकते हैं, फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ पार्टीज़ में जा सकते हैं, कॉकटेल पार्टीज़ में. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली एन एफर्टलेस मेकअप है ये, ठीक है? आप अपने जैसे डेली ऑफिस जा सकते हैं ये मेकअप करके. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलो ये इसी से ही मैं शुरुआत अपनी करती हूँ. एंड आई होप आपको अच्छा लगेगा. अगर अच्छा लगा ये वीडियो, प्लीज़ कमेंट करना मत भूलिए, लाइक करना मत भूलिए, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए एंड हिट द बेल आइकन. Thank you. I love you all. But first, a cup of coffee. So for primer, I'm using Swiss Beauty's Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It's a great product actually, and also primer is very important. Like it's one of the most important step in a makeup routine. So now I'm applying it evenly all over my face. Yes, make sure you don't leave a spot. So all prepped and ready. So the next step is foundation. I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Yeah, that's my shade. It's a matte foundation and it suits me quite well actually. So now firstly I'm going to apply it all over my face using my fingers in dots. And using the pack blender, I'm going to blend my foundation properly. And make sure you take your time while blending so that it doesn't look cakey and turns out flawless. Blending is the game actually. You can literally see the difference. This foundation is magic. I do not even require a concealer after this. It just hides away every spot and blemishes. And you guys know I have lots of blemishes on my face and gives you a perfect and natural base. An important note, do not forget your neck. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. And this is exactly how I use the product. Firstly, by tapping at its back. This way you get a generous amount of product and there's least wastage. And for the application, I'm using the e.l.f. blush brush. It's a blush brush, but I like to use it while powdering my face. It's just more comfortable for me. I take a good amount of powder and set my face with that, and especially my under eyes and places where I tend to sweat. Let's get into the kohl, kajal. Okay, so this is from K Beauty and this is known as Spade. The shade is jet black and this is how I apply kohl so that it gives a drama to your eyes. If this is the way you are applying kohl, it defines the eye very properly. And when it's an effortless makeup, kohl is very important. So you can see the difference now. For that extra drama, I'm using this black eyeshadow from Sephora in the shade bow tie. Any black eyeshadow you can use for your eyes for that extra drama. And I'm using this eyeshadow blending brush to blend the shadow just a little darker in the outer corner and just stretch it inside towards the inner corner. It's very easy actually, completely effortless and good for the beginners. And again, one more fluffy brush I'm taking and blending it more properly and more intensely. This is the look, like it's pretty easy. Tang tang. So I'm using a Hoola bronzer for that extra warmth for my eyes. Any bronzer you can use, any brown tone. So it's a freebie from Bobbi Brown. Actually, it's a lip gloss, but I love the shade and I use it for my cheeks because it gives a dewy look. The shade is beautiful. So this time illuminating highlighter from K Beauty for my brow bones, not for my cheekbones. Well, Nykaa's Curl Power Mascara for my lashes because I have scanty of lashes, and for this makeup I can't use the falsies. Now this beautiful brown lip liner from K Beauty for my lips to define it properly. Any lip liner brown color will do for your lips. And this is Huda Beauty's Power Bullet lipstick in the shade Joyride. It's a beautiful new shade. I'm just mixing it up with L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Matte in the shade Nudist. Wow, this looks perfect. Finally, to set my makeup, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water for my face. Finally, I chose Indian ethnic wear to complement this look. You can also go with Indo-Western and Western. Well, thank you so much guys for watching and I love you all. Bye-bye.